What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. Got a little quick demo here, show you guys. If you look inside these fender wells, I was cleaning this car the other day and I noticed they're just really nasty looking, and these aren't plastic and they're not carpeted, so they're kind of more like, I think it's just metal and it's textured. And I got a little trick to get these to looking nice. Basically it's just two steps. First thing is get you some Adams tire and rubber cleaner, and then a nice little fender brush and a bucket of soapy water. You're going to spray this down with some tire and rubber cleaner, let it kind of penetrate in there, and then go scrubbing it. And then after it dries off, it's basically like some little rubberized coating that you can spray on there. Shake up the cleaner, spray it in there liberally. Get your brush and the soapy water, and get it in here and start scrubbing. Make sure you get down to the bottom too. Scrub it all out. So you can see I've scrubbed it, cleaned it, and it's still just really nasty looking. It looks terrible. Rinse it off. Scrub it, rinse it, let it dry. Now I've cleaned it, I'm going to apply this rubberized coating. This is Rust-Oleum Undercoating Pro Grade. You can get this at AutoZone, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. You want to shake this up for about close to a minute. Off the cap, and then I'm just going to try to focus on the area that I cleaned. So kind of get it maybe about a foot away. Just start spraying. Might be a little closer than a foot. Go on a vertical line. Right. Try to get back in the back there. So that's the first coat, and you can just wait about 2 or 3 minutes and then put a second coat. Alright guys, so I want to show you what this finished result looks like. Way nicer than before, but I did notice that I got some rubberized coating on the paint here. So you could either be smart, unlike me, and tape that off, or if you make the mistake and get some of this rubberized coating on your paint, it's pretty easy to get off. You just need a tar remover or like an adhesive remover. So I'm going to show you that step right now. So I've got Adams tar and adhesive remover. I've also got a little paper towel here. You can use a microfiber towel as well, but I'd rather use this paper towel because it's disposable. So I'm just going to saturate it. You can just lightly start wiping it. You'll notice it'll start to remove it pretty quickly. You don't have to put a lot of pressure, let the chemical do the work. Just make sure you get the whole amount of it off. See, it comes off pretty good. Follow up with a little rinseless wash or a towel with some soapy water or something to make sure you get the adhesive remover off of the painted surface. So I'm going to do that next, but don't really need to show that step. But anyway, that's it. Alright, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please hit thumbs up. Thanks so much.